Ito na nga with jabs itong katawan. Ay naman natin din yung
offense there.
Fighting out the blue corner, wearing black with white trim, and all the way from Tanzania, Charles Tondo! And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. Here is Paul Thomas Martin!
Referee Noel Haduka giving jabs.
napaka-importante niya ayun na to establish that jab at ayun nagparamdam na si Carl James.
Yung huling naging laban. Outs under his belt.
This is a bad sign for Charleston that his footwork. That's a good. You can see that Carl James Martin is looking for angles and open.
Martin, you said na you were looking for him to vary his attack.
Ito na nga with jabs itong katawan. Ay naman natin din yung left straight samantando.
Right on cue, Carl James Martin going downstairs and then upstairs. Giving Charleston something to think round contest.
Charleston
Event here at Battle of Manila.
manggagaling yung jabs mula kay Charles Tondo. He could already parry.
Fighters are southpaw.
Both southpaws.
Yes. You know what?
It's similar to of having that stance, but the speed has the power and has the much better footwork.
Right. That is 100%.
Mula doon sa 1-2 coming from Charles Tondo. Ang ginawa ni Carl James Martin, kinasa niya out.
Picking his spots. And that's a good right from James Martin.
James Martin in partner.
And this is a promising his last fight here in the Philippines as he seeks, bigger fights abroad.
Not to sugarcoat it, but
That's a great 1-2 from Martin. Much of the round on his back foot. Minsan-minsan bumabato ng 1-2. Etong si Carl with his jabs. Pagkatapos. Mas doon. Si Carl James Martin.
somehow showing some evasiveness there.
Both boxers looking in great condition as we see Charles. Oh, there's a right. There's a good right from Carl James Martin. And ito. Scoring it on against Maynila.
But still, he's living up to the Tondo name. It's coming from Carl James Martin.
There again, Martin to the...
Kahit pa paano, he asserted himself in the fight. But that's a...
Ito po si Carl James Martin with his offense as he...
It's only a 1-2, but it's effective.
Etong si Carl James Martin.
Martin needs to at least vary. Yan. It was helpful in those last.
In that fight against Ronnie Baldonado.
Correct.
He got frustrated. He got reckless.
There's no question about the heart of a champ. It's just he got shocked there.
Yeah, a right hand to Tondo is getting fired up here. And Martin, that's another good body shot. Last 10 seconds of this round. And Charles Tondo.
Inviting.
Yeah. Well, be careful what you wish for.
James Martin thinks he could take the punches of Charles Tondo.
Carl James Martin's offense there. It's the Filipino champion. Very focused. You can see that look in his eyes. Oh, that's a good.
Hooking. Ito nga si Charles Tondo.
Of the 5th round. To find his moments dito sa round ng... Let's see who can have the last say. This round number
nice.
5.
Nice right.
And I think that's going to be...
So far sa kanya lahat ng significant punches.
But that is what Charles Tondo is exactly doing now. Martin on the back pedal. Here comes Carl James Martin. Sa ang ating dalawang boksingero.
That's a good one.
Carl James Martin. And the
I think the first round.
from the very first round, right?
Martin knows. That's the vulnerability. Martin
And there
goes
you
for
go.
the kill.
Martin driving. And napapansin mo, nakababa na yung kamay nitong si Charles Tondo. Number 7. Di Martin dito sa round number 7. Double jab from Martin and then he goes to the body.
Or James Martin on the back, the Tanzanian.
Siya kung i-rest ba
Oh,
niya
that's
yung kanyang
a right
opensa. But Tondo now seems to be very wary.
Ni Carl James Martin. If
And that's a good left straight.
back,
Number 8, if someone is going to get full control, and Martin.
hirapan, partner.
Charles Tondo here, a jab, another one.
Nadali sa katawan.
He continues to land that. We'll see Carl James Martin. That's a solid left coming from Carl James.
Martin trying to go down again. It's in the midsection.
A few of those body shots from Carl James Martin.
That's a good last 10 seconds.
Number 8.
This is a more tactical round that we're seeing, but now segundo ng round number 9. Martin.
Bigyan ng pag-iisipan nitong si Martin stalking Tondo dito sa round number.
Ano, parang nag-iba na approach si Carl James Martin here. He has a lot of time, 90 seconds left. Oh, that's straight left hand from Carl James Martin.
Customer here in the final minute of round number 9. We are heading into the final 20 seconds of round 9. Martin has made it a point.
Going back to the body again by a hair lang yung distansya nila.
Martin going back to the body. Ito namang si Ton. Somehow stops etong si Martin on his track.
Kung mapapansin mo, partner, napaka-loyal.
Kanina kung bakit bumaba yung mga yung depensa nitong si Charles Tondo.
Yung body shots na yan. This is dangerous. This is a dangerous round. Mapapansin mo, medyo niluluwa ni Charles Tondo yung mouth guard niya.
finding a way to throw some punches. Round number 11 is underway. Ito na naman yung kanina sa round 10, nakita natin. That's a solid left coming from Martin.
Nasaktan doon si Charles Tondo.
Ayun na, iniinda niya. Carjane talagang he's taking these punches.
Kung tinatanong nyo kung may jet lag pa.
That's a good one. An uppercut, mouth guard. Oh! We have seen more of his body work. Talagang gustong-gusto niyang bigyan ng ng straight connecting para kay Martin.
Dapat makita ng referee yung tinatanggal na ni Tondo.
Kumukuha na po ng hangin. Etong si Charles Tondo. Dito
It's a feat in itself for Charles Tondo to go 12 rounds
against
Martin. A good check right hook.
At eto na. Uling bahagi na po ng round number 12. Martin trying to put up one
with the
offensive outburst here. And he is doing so. Looking for the finish in the dying seconds of round 12. Wow!